These partnerships will allow us to move faster and smarter. Right now, we're accelerating our product development while strengthening our service and support. For 2026, that means service-friendly products and more modular designs. Ultimate goal is to help pool professionals build better businesses and work more efficiently. The most exciting is definitely Vision AI, and it's probably the biggest shift for 2026. We're going to start using a lot more predictive intelligence. AI allows us to replace the traditional reactive maintenance with intelligent automation. Ultimately, the technology is going to optimize cleaning paths and run times and reducing energy use in real time. Start now and make sure you choose the right partners. There's a big misconception that AI is going to be replacing pool professionals, but it's not about replacing them. It's about making them more efficient and more valuable. So I think the pros that adopt smart tech early will be able to reduce their labor, and the key is using solutions designed for professionals, not just the homeowners.